Hey everybody, I just thought I would edit this in because I'd already done the unboxing for this Papercraft Society box. And just before I went to edit it, I've been told that Papercraft Society boxes will be £10. Oh my God. They've never been this cheap. They're doing it. They need to clear the warehouse. We've got lots of brilliant boxes coming next year and there are not mass amounts left. So everyone you see here are all £10 only. There will be an unboxing of this straight after in a second. They all, for anybody new, they don't come like this. They come in boxes like this. This one I'll be doing an unboxing of separately. This is the Sasha Reed one that I've just got. So this is how all of these come in a beautiful box. If you're familiar with the Papercraft Society, then you know. For anybody new joining, this is while stocks last. This is not going to last long. I would run, don't walk. This is amazing. They are fantastic boxes. You really are getting a lot for your money for £10. So the ones that are in the offer, textures, this is the box 34. Then you've got card making magic 29. I'm not doing these in any order, I'm just grabbing them. Textures 26 box. The Lisa Horton 133, that was gorgeous. The lovely John Next Door autumnal one, box 35. If you love your mixed media, you got your Pretty Gets Gritty there, 28. Olga Paper Discovery, box 17, box 30, and box 31. I have done unboxings for all of these apart from this one, because you'll be able to watch this one in a second. This one here is box, oh, I've not even looked at this one yet. Box 36. That's in the deal as well. The only ones that aren't is mine and the latest Daisy May, because they're the two newest boxes. But oh, there's just so much. So if you want to see detailed unboxings of these, check out the playlist. I'll pop it up now. But I'd get over there now, go get your boxes, put them in your basket, check out, then come back and finish watching the video so you can see what this one looks inside, because this is gorgeous too. So yeah, just needed to shout about that. I'm going to splash it all over my social channels as well. And I just hope that some of you are able to pick up some of these kits. I think they're going to make lovely Christmas presents as well. So yeah, fingers crossed you'll get them. Bye. This box has been designed by the lovely Lou Collins, who's behind the brand Textures. This one's inspired by butterflies, but if you enjoy her Textures brand, then I think you're really going to like what she's got to share. I did have a look at her unboxing, so I do know what's inside this one, but now I have it myself. I can't wait to look at it all again. So you've got this craft card box with the butterflies over the top there. And then inside this one here, we have crafting is all about enjoying the process as much as the end result. That's from Lou. And then you have your envelope, and you also have more goodies in the tissue paper there. So as always, I'm going to start with the envelope here. So we've got more beautiful butterflies there. And then this is Lou's brand and her logo. So inside, anything you make sure you use the hashtag Papercraft Society when you're sharing them on social media. And you have a little parchment on a project, always adds a touch of elegance. I must admit, I don't use a lot of parchment or vellum, not as much as I'd like. A little crafting each day keeps my hands and mind happy. It's a good one. And explore a new craft technique and put your own spin on it. So inside here, you have dies, stamps, vellum and stencils. So first of all, the standout is this beautiful die set here. I'm just going to back it against some white. There we go, you can see it better. You've got this lovely large butterfly, which the cut line doesn't go all the way around, so there's actually a gap here and here, so this will be cut into the card and you can lift the wings up, so that's going to be really nice to use. You've got all the different butterfly trails here, which will cut different shapes into the card. You've got the long line of dots here. You've got the center of the butterfly. You've got some other pretty flowers here with lots of little holes detail, which I've just remembered what that's all for. You've got some more butterflies here, and then the sentiment there says fly high. That's the die set. And then the stamp set here. So you've got some border stamps and then some leaves here, some other smaller little borders, and then lots of sentiments. You've got capture the moment, love, birthday wishes and butterfly kisses, celebrate being you, butterflies can't see their wings, if nothing ever changed there would be no butterflies. And you've got another little swirl there as well. That's the stamp set. And then in here is all of your parchment. It's lovely thick quality, and there's loads here. So this is the main focus in the kit. So you've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you've got 12 sheets of parchment paper there. So you've got more than enough. And then you've got these 2 stencils. You've got a beautiful butterfly frame there, and then this one here with the different swirls. So I'm looking forward to seeing the inspiration and how all of that's been used. So that's everything in the envelope, and then inside the tissue paper. So here we have, so you've got 6 lovely colours of floss there, or thread. You have this tool here, which is going to help you thread your needle. So I'm guessing this one here, yeah, your needle is in this one here. I think it's a nice thick one. So all of those dots on the dies, you're going to be doing some stitching. Yeah, you've got a nice thick needle there, but that will help you thread that. I'm going to pop that in there actually, so it's all together. You've got a stylus here, or this can be a flower making tool. You can add a lot of shape and you can emboss onto the parchment. It will create some really lovely effects. You've got this pencil here, which I'm thinking is a pickup pencil, but I'm not sure. We'll check on the contents in the book. You've got another very thin stylus here. So this is again to be able to emboss and create texture on the vellum or the parchment. And then in this envelope we have little white brads. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 small white brads there. And then we have the coordinating cardstock and some foam. So that looks like that's some about 2 mil foam, so it's the thicker foam. Again, it will all be explained in the contents what this is all for. And then we've got some ombre cards. So this is white core. We've got a plain white there, which might be, it's a very smooth, so it could be for your alcohol inks or for some other techniques. So we'll check that in a moment. But you have these gorgeous colours of ombre cards. You've got that lovely kind of aqua green, beautiful pink, lovely purple there, and then that sky blue. Really lovely colours. Again, very different to what we've had in, to be fair, all the boxes are different, which is why I love them so much. So that's all of that part. And then here is your inspiration booklet. So this is the lovely Lou on the front. And as always, I don't show everything in the book, so I'm just going to pull out a few examples, and I just want to see, here we go, here's the contents, what the card is. So they've got here, J is A and J, so it's an ombre printed, which I showed you, and then white cardstock. So 8 sheets of A5 ombre printed cardstock to take all the hard work away from creating your own inky blends, plus 2 pieces of white cardstock for bases and more. And then the pencil there, which I think is H, or white pencil, a variety of ball tool heads for the perfect detailing in parchment. Oh, the white, I get it, yeah. You can use white pencil on parchment, looks beautiful. So it is, it's a soft white pencil to add strokes and depth to your makes. So here's a lovely example of a card that Lou's made using that butterfly on vellum. So you can see how the wings are just slightly lifted there, and the butterfly trail has all been stitched along with some stitching along the side there. Really, really pretty detail. I love having that texture of the thread on the card. And then a couple of other examples with the stitching. So there's this one here where you can see it's been stitched all around the butterfly. And you can see how all of that detail using the stencils has been applied to the parchment. And then also I thought this one was lovely. And you can see here how they've used it on that flower die, the thread there. And then the butterflies, how that's all been created by adding pressure to the parchment. Really looking forward to this one because I don't do anything with parchment. So it'd be really nice to play around with this. I love the colours. I can see myself using these ones here a lot. They're beautiful together. I love those. So that's everything inside the tissue. So that's everything inside kit 34 from the Papercraft Society. I always have all the links below this video. So if you'd like to find out more about the Papercraft Society, then click on the first link. Or if you'd like to go directly to this box and have a look more closely at the contents and the prices and everything, then I'll have a direct link to this box there as well. If you've enjoyed today, you're not subscribed to the channel, you've just found out about Papercraft Society, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will be sharing tutorials using these. And I also feature a lot of the Papercraft Society boxes during my Facebook Lives on a Wednesday over on my Facebook page. And all of that info can be found below the video. Just click on more, it will open up the drop down and you'll see it all there. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.